Standing before you, in the pristine light of an all-white showroom, is a legend of Australian motoring, the 1985 Holden VK Group A Commodore, known forever as the Blue Meanie. This is no ordinary car, it is HDT's masterpiece, a homologation special built to conquer Bathurst, and we begin by taking in its full, glorious presence from the commanding front three-quarter angle. Its stance is wide, its purpose clear, defined by that iconic single-slot air dam and piercing quad headlights, all framed by the unmistakable blue MNY number plate that proudly claims its identity. Let your eye travel down its sculpted flank in a clean side profile, where the deep, lustrous Formula Blue metallic paint, a color exclusive to just 500 examples, flows over the integrated wheel arch flares and full-length side skirts, culminating at those iconic 16-inch aero alloy wheels shod in VR50 Bridgestone rubber. Now, face it head-on and feel the intent. This is a car designed for one thing: speed with every intake and contour on its purposeful front fascia, feeding air to the beast within, the blue MNY plate centered like a fighter's call sign. Moving around to the low rear three-quarter view, the drama continues with a pronounced boot lid spoiler and a distinctive tail light signature that became a beacon for its rivals in the rear view mirror. Zooming in closer, the details tell the story of its breed. The polished Group A badge on the front fender is not mere decoration but a certificate of its racing pedigree, a mark of the extensive body and aerodynamic modifications that set it apart from any Commodore you'd find on a regular street. Now, let's peer into the heart of the machine. Release the bonnet catch and behold the 5.0-liter HDT modified V8, a mass of polished rocker covers, braided hoses, and engineered muscle, breathing through a tuned induction system, a testament to the no-compromise approach of the Holden dealer team. Slide inside, into the driver's domain, and take in the full, period-correct cockpit from the rear seats. This is a time capsule of 1980s performance, with its classic analog dashboard, three-spoke steering wheel adorned with the HDT logo, and those deeply bolstered Shield Sport seats upholstered in their unique blue-gray fabric, all bathed in the clean, white light of the showroom. From the driver's seat itself, the view is pure focus: the HDT wheel in your hands, the clear instrument cluster before you, and through the windshield, a glimpse of that proud blue MNY plate, a constant reminder of the car's singular character. Your hand naturally falls to the center console, to the precise 5-speed manual gear shifter and the advanced for its era joystick-controlled sound system fader, interfaces designed for engagement, not distraction. To understand its engineering, we must look beneath the surface. On a lift in this bright white workshop bay, the underbody reveals its fully independent rear suspension and robust exhaust system, a chassis engineered for control at the limit. A closer look at a front wheel assembly showcases the polished alloy rim, the high-performance tire tread, and the substantial ventilated disc brake with its bold red caliper, the hardware responsible for translating all that power into controlled stopping force. Imagine it coming to life. A cinematic low-angle shot captures the Blue Meanie rolling onto the polished white floor, a moment of arrival where light glints off its flawless paint and the blue MNY plate comes into sharp focus. For a moment of artistry, see the car and its perfect, mirror-like reflection in the showroom's glossy floor, a symmetrical study in blue and white where the plates and their duplicates create a captivating pattern. To appreciate its components, a creative composite frames 4 key icons: the HDT grille badge, the intricate Shield seat fabric, the definitive blue MNY number plate, and the Group A badge on the boot, each a chapter in this car's story. In an extreme close-up, the intricate details of a quad rectangular headlight and the surrounding grille work come into view, the very elements that gave the VK its aggressive, focused face, with the edge of the number plate anchoring the composition. At the rear, the unique Commodore script and the complex lens of the tail light cluster are highlighted, with the blue MNY plate sitting proudly above the bumper, a final, bold statement. Now, step back for the full context. In a wide, minimalist white showroom shot, the car sits in splendid isolation, its complete form and the clear blue MNY plates front and rear allowing you to absorb its historic proportions and purposeful styling without distraction. With the boot lid open, we see the practicality within the performance, a tidy cargo space that belies its race-bred nature, all overlooked by that iconic rear spoiler and our now familiar identifier. A detailed study of the rear valance centers on the polished exhaust outlet, the exit for the V8's bellow, with the blue MNY plate positioned above, a constant in every frame. Finally, we end with a wide, panoramic embrace of its full front end, taking in the entire aggressive width, the commanding presence, and the centered blue MNY plate, a final, powerful portrait of the Holden Commodore'Blue Meanie, a permanently blue streak of Australian automotive history, frozen in time and captured in every precise detail for you to admire.